toucan's bill's more than meets the eye. The Keel-Billed Toucan's bill is arguably the most iconic feature in the bird world, and it's what immediately draws your eye. But despite its impressive size, it can measure up to 8 inches long. You might be surprised to learn that this enormous appendage weighs surprisingly little. It's largely made of a spongy bone structure, with air pockets inside, similar to how birds' bones are designed for flight. This unique construction reduces the overall weight considerably. Beyond its lightness, the bill isn't just for show. It plays a vital role in reaching fruit on branches too thin to support their weight. They use it like a grappling hook. They also employ it to defend themselves against predators and even to attract mates through courtship displays involving clicking sounds created by manipulating the bill. It's a common misconception that a toucan's enormous bill is used for digging holes or engaging in territorial battles. Actually, it serves a much more ingenious purpose. These vibrant bills are primarily tools for accessing food, specifically fruit, in ways that would be impossible otherwise. Imagine a branch laden with delicious berries, but it's far too thin to support the weight of a toucan. The bill allows them to delicately reach out, grasping the fruit while balancing on these precarious perches. Its lightness and strength are truly remarkable adaptations for this specialized feeding strategy. They're essentially using their bills as extensions of their bodies, allowing access to a wider range of food sources than would otherwise be available. That incredible bill isn't just for show, it's a fascinating feat of natural engineering. It's largely made of keratin, the same protein that forms our fingernails and hair. You might imagine something so large would be incredibly heavy, but that's where the real magic lies. The Keel-Billed Toucan's bill is filled with numerous air pockets and a honeycomb-like structure. This drastically reduces its weight, allowing them to fly effortlessly through the rainforest canopy despite carrying what appears to be an oversized beak. Interestingly, the Keel-Billed Toucan's enormous bill isn't just for show, it plays a vital role in keeping them cool. These birds live in warm, tropical climates, and they don't sweat like we do to regulate their body temperature. Instead, the bill acts almost like a radiator. It has a large surface area, and its thin bone structure is filled with blood vessels close to the surface. When a toucan gets too hot, blood flows to these vessels in the bill, allowing heat to radiate away into the surrounding air. This helps them maintain a comfortable body temperature, especially during those scorching afternoons. It's an ingenious adaptation for surviving in such a humid environment. That incredible bill isn't just for eating. It plays a vital role in how Keel-Billed Toucans interact with each other. Within their social groups, these birds use their bills as visual signals, almost like they're speaking without words. Males will often display their bright bills to attract potential mates, flashing them back and forth in an elaborate courtship dance. It's also a way for them to establish dominance within the group. A larger, more vividly colored bill can signal status. You'll notice that brighter colors tend to be particularly desirable. It suggests health and good genes, making those individuals more appealing to potential partners. It's truly remarkable how this enormous bill isn't just for show. Scientists have discovered that its unique size and shape actually function as a resonating chamber. Think of it like a natural megaphone. The cavities within the bill amplify the toucan's vocalizations, allowing them to project their calls across surprisingly long distances. This is especially vital in the dense rainforest where visibility can be limited and communication relies heavily on sound. These amplified calls help toucans locate each other for mating or warn of potential danger, ensuring survival within this complex environment. It's fascinating to observe how a Keel-Billed Toucan's iconic bill changes as it grows. Young toucans don't emerge with that brilliant rainbow appearance we all recognize. Their bills are noticeably smaller and much darker, often a dusky gray or black. This isn't due to a lack of pigment, rather, the vibrant colors develop gradually over time. As they mature, these dark pigments fade, revealing the characteristic bright orange, yellow, and red hues. This transformation is more than just cosmetic, it's actually a visual signal. The development of those striking colors indicates that the toucan has reached maturity and is ready to participate in breeding rituals and establish its place within the social structure of the flock. It's fascinating to observe that a Keel-Billed Toucan's bill isn't quite identical from bird to bird. While we recognize them by their iconic rainbow beaks, closer inspection reveals subtle differences in shape and size. You might notice some have slightly broader bills, others are longer or more curved. This variation isn't random. Scientists believe it could represent regional adaptations, perhaps different bill shapes being better suited for foraging on specific fruits available in certain areas. It's even possible that individual toucans develop preferences for how their beaks work, leading to further unique characteristics over time. These small details add another layer of complexity and wonder to this already remarkable species. You might be surprised to learn that despite its seemingly delicate appearance, a Keel-Billed Toucan's massive bill isn't as fragile as it looks. It's actually quite strong and surprisingly lightweight, primarily composed of spongy bone and keratin, similar to our fingernails. While the toucan doesn't use its bill for foraging or heavy lifting, it can be employed defensively if threatened. It's a last resort, certainly, as using it in this way risks damage, but a toucan will readily snap its bill at a potential predator to deter an attack. Think of it as a powerful warning signal, a visual and potentially physical demonstration that says back off. The Keel-Billed Toucan's bill is undoubtedly its most striking feature, but it's so much more than just a beautiful ornament. It's an incredible example of how evolution shapes organisms to thrive in their environment. Believe it or not, this massive beak isn't as heavy as you might think. It's largely composed of hollow struts reinforced with thin plates of bone, making it surprisingly lightweight. This adaptation allows the toucan to navigate the dense rainforest canopy with ease, reaching for fruits and insects that would be inaccessible to birds with heavier bills. They use their bill to pluck fruit from branches, manipulate objects in search of hidden insects, and even as a visual display during courtship rituals. It's also cleverly used to thermoregulate. They can adjust blood flow to the bill to cool down on hot days or warm up when temperatures drop. Ultimately, this remarkable structure is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a beautiful adaptation that enables survival and success within its complex rainforest ecosystem.